Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync Google Authenticator for time-correct code. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This is the first step to ensuring your codes are generating correctly and syncing with the proper time settings. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to access your mobile device's settings menu. Look for the gear icon, which represents your phone's settings. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the search bar at the top of your screen for easier navigation. When you see the gear icon in the results, go ahead and tap on it to open your device settings. Now from here, swipe up through the menu until you locate the System Settings option. This section contains important device configurations that affect how your phone operates, including time and date settings. Tap on System to access these settings and proceed to the next step. Under the System Settings tab, look for the Date and Time option. This is a crucial setting because Google Authenticator relies heavily on your device's clock to generate accurate verification codes. When you find date and time, tap on it to open the time configuration menu. Here's the important part. In this section, you need to make sure the automatic date and time option is toggled on. This setting ensures your phone uses the most accurate time based on your geolocation and IP address. By enabling automatic time, your device syncs with network-provided time servers, which eliminates any discrepancies that could cause authentication issues. This is the key to solving most Authenticator sync problems because if your phone's time is even slightly off, Google Authenticator might generate codes that are either too early or too late, causing them to fail when you try to use them for two-factor authentication. After you've toggled on the automatic date and time options, simply exit your settings and return to your Google Authenticator app. Reopen the app to allow it to refresh and sync with the corrected time settings. This refresh ensures that the app is now generating codes based on the accurate time from your device. And that's it. You've now resolved the time sync issue with Google Authenticator, ensuring that all your verification codes will be generated at the correct time and work properly for logging into your accounts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.